In this video, you'll learn how to change your mobile number on the OKX app. By following these steps, you will successfully update your contact information within the application. Start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet, as this process requires an active connection to access your account settings. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon situated at the top left corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the option labeled Account and Security and tap on it. This section contains important settings related to your account security and personal information. After this, find and select the phone number option. This will lead you to the area where you can modify your current mobile number. Tap on the Change button, which will prompt you to enter your new mobile number. Carefully input the new number you wish to associate with your account. Once you've entered the new mobile number, you will receive an SMS code. Send to that number, check your messages for this code as it is necessary for the next step. Enter the received SMS code into the designated field within the app. This step is crucial for verifying your ownership of the new mobile number. After entering the code, you will need to confirm the change using either an email code or an authenticator code if you have Google Authenticator set up. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions provided. Once you have successfully completed these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your mobile number has been updated. It's important to verify that the change has been made correctly to ensure you receive future notifications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.